Hello everyone, today I want to introduce this desk grow lights. This desk grow lights is mainly composed of two parts. First is the header panel, second is the base stem. It's mainly used for houseplants. You see it's not so big, the panel is about one hand size, and inside the head there are totally 204 LED diodes, including UV and IR. The gooseneck, you can adjust the gooseneck to the right angle according to your plant's need, and you can adjust the height according to your plant's need. It can stand on the table very stably. You can also put your plants on the base. The light is quite lightweight, simple but elegant design. There are black and white version. The power voltage is 25 watts. In fact, it's very bright when I open it. Don't see directly into the light, it will blind your eyes. It's very bright because there are many LED diodes, high density LED diodes in the panel, totally 204. And the power efficiency is very high and low light frequency. You can also read under the light. It's no harm for your eyes. And the support daisy chain for multiple lights is quite useful. And we have another version that is the stand light. Stand on the floor for top plants. If you like it, please make a comment for us. Thank you.